guys, oh my god, I'm so excited that you're here. This is my very first video, Energy with Emily. I'm a little nervous. If you have not liked yet or subscribed, right here, you can click the like button and subscribe, leave all the comments that you want. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, you guys, I have to tell you about this company that sponsors all of my videos. Like, all of them. First of all, hashtag lucky. Like, I'm so excited that I, out of everyone, was sponsored by them. Like, I'm so excited. They're called Morning Hat. That's the company, Morning Hat. And seriously, wait for this. It's so exciting. Like, look at this. It's adorable. I'm so over it. Are you kidding me? I'm always over it. Anyway, so like, this is it. They wrote to me. Like, that's the thing that's so crazy about this. I didn't even approach them. They came to me and said, Energy with Emily. Oh my God, love that name. Like, we definitely want to get on board with like what you're doing, like energy and stuff. You know what I mean? Like, that's so exciting. So they reached out to me and like, look at this. I'm so over it. How many times a day do you say that? Like, I don't know, for me, like 15 times. Like, I wake up in the morning and go, oh my God, I'm so over this. Like, I look at my alarm clock, over it. Like, I'm so over it. It's so stupid. Anyway, I love it. They make all sorts of different kinds of hats. Like those, like, I don't know, what are they called? Fedoras? Are those still in? Are those still in? Fedoras? I don't know, she must be sleeping. She's over it. She's over it. Oh my God, you guys, these hats are incredible. She's over it. She's over it. They like make all sorts of stuff. Hats, and like, it's cold outside, like when it gets a little chilly, like they have little beanies that you can wear. Like, oh my God, how cute. A beanie. When was the last time you saw someone in a beanie and said, I'm over it? When was the last time that you saw someone in a beanie and were like, ew, change that hat. Who wears beanies? No one. Everyone loves beanies. And I love this hat. And I love Morning Hat. They truly, they have a hat for everyone. Like, I don't know. They're super inclusive, and like that, I don't know, that like means a lot to me, you know, that like everyone can have a hat. Like, that's awesome. Like, some people have insecurities about maybe how big their forehead is, or like maybe that they're balding or whatever, and like to be able to go to Morning Hat and like pick out a hat that really like fulfills them as a person, I just think that that's, I don't know, I think that really means a lot. And like, I'm just really happy to be connected with a company that like really takes all of those things into consideration, like foreheads and baldness. Like, who thinks about baldness? I don't, but now I do. Like, everyone deserves a hat. Everyone deserves a hat. I really want you to buy this hat. I just think it's really important, you know, for you to buy this hat. I don't know why you wouldn't want to buy this hat. I mean, this hat, it just says so much. You know, it really, I don't know, like, I really think you should buy this hat. Like, I think you should buy it. I want you to buy this hat. Buy it. I'm really serious. I'm not joking. Okay, I really want you to buy this hat. Like, why wouldn't you buy the hat? Buy it. Like, I just really want you to buy the hat. I don't know why you won't. Like, why aren't you buying this hat? You should have ordered it by now. Ordered 5 by now. Ordered the hat. I want you to order the hat. Order it. Order the hat. Why are you watching the video? You should be ordering the hat.